So hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. So if you want to know what that thumbnail is all about, then please stay tuned. Kind of like a sound off below, let me know. Let's get into it. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not. Rate the video thumbs up and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. So, hey guys, welcome back to Simply Steph, or welcome if you're first time joining me. My name is Stephanie. I am the host of this channel and I will be your host for just a few minutes. I just wanted to make an announcement and kind of like take a poll, I guess a little bit. My light did come today, hallelujah, but it's going to take me a while to put it together. So I was wondering what y'all would feel about me going live tomorrow. Sometime maybe like early afternoonish, you know, between like 1 and 3 or something like that, to do a major unboxing. I have tons of boxes. There's subscriptions that floated in. There are like subscriptions that were forgotten about and I had to put on hold for whatever reason, and I will get into it, you know, more when I get to that box and unbox it. I also have a bunch of stuff that I got for a haul. Now, the freebie stuff, yes, I'm looking at the pile. I don't know. That's just a lot. And I don't think that I could be, you know, how I don't like to do lives for more than maybe an hour or so. I try to keep it down to about an hour. I start saying goodbye at an hour, so maybe an hour and a half tops. Comment down below if you're okay with that. Let me know, can you show up? Is it a good time for you? Maybe comment what time would be better if you know, between like 1 and 3 or whatever. Start it somewhere around there. It is Sunday. I figured hopefully maybe people are relaxing or what have you. Just kind of kick back, hang out with me for a little while. We'll go over some things. Or would you rather me record the unboxing? I could absolutely do that too. I'm kind of thinking now that maybe, you know, doing an unboxing while you're on a live is kind of hard, because how am I going to answer your questions when I'm like focusing on trying to unbox stuff? You know what I mean? I do have a couple of things. I mean, we could go live tomorrow if you want, absolutely. But I could record it maybe late tonight, or when I wake up tomorrow, record it and then go live while it's uploading or something. I don't know. And then maybe have one for tomorrow night. It's up to you guys. Let me know. Like, try and, you know, chime in here. Remember, this is an all-inclusive channel. I try to include you guys in everything I do. Whatever best for you guys is okay for me. My schedule right now is flexible. Hubby's going back to work tomorrow. We are supposed to get more snow. Wow. But anyway, if I'm snowed in, I'm snowed in. I'm ready this time, guys. But anyway, yeah. Back to the video. This is the editing stuff. Sorry. Guys, the recycling is coming. They didn't come this week because of snow, so yay. So I want to get rid of all the boxes, all the cardboard, and I want to get it out and put it in the recycling. I'm going to have like 10 bins out there, but oh well. Yeah, so because February's boxes are coming in, and yeah, I want to make some room. Also, I will go ahead and try and film the pile over there and get rid of those boxes as well. I may do that tonight or tomorrow night, but you know, after the live. Either way. And excuse my face, I did a little bit of skincare just now. I'm just, you know, just doing skincare. It's me, al natural. Yeah. So, oh, and also I didn't check the comments today from that little shorts that I put up about me cooking breakfast, but I do have a video with me and Tito cooking. We did a HelloFresh dinner together. What a trip. But anyway, y'all want to see it, because now that I know how to edit a lot more, a lot better anyway, or at least I'm getting there, I can absolutely like cut it down. It's 30 minutes, but I can definitely probably shave off some time in it. Although there are some pretty funny parts in there, but I will definitely leave them in for you. Let me know if you want to see that. I will go ahead and upload it, you know, tonight. Like, I'll take care of all that tonight. I do have the Jeffree Star winner, guys. I did pick the winner. Maybe I'll do that on the live tomorrow as well. Y'all can just tune in to see who won the palette and the lippy and the gloss, okay? Yeah, so, and there very well may be another giveaway starting in that live. So, I will always refer people to the live if I if I ever do a giveaway in the live, I will go ahead and refer in each video. Say, hey, go watch the live. There's a giveaway in that one. It'll be also in the thumbnail. But yeah, comment down below. Would you guys be willing to see me or hang out with me tomorrow, Sunday afternoon? You know, like I said, between 1 and 3. And if not, would there be a better time? Like, majority's kind of going to have to win on this one, guys. Sorry. And also, do you want me to upload that video with me and Tito cooking? It's edited already, but I can take more out, like shave it down. I did the best editing I knew how without, like, before I knew how to take away stuff. So I was only able to add things, but we did it in under a half hour. It was like with the intro and the outro, it's like 30 minutes or something. So I can even make it shorter if y'all want. But let me know if you guys are willing to watch that video, okay? Just want to check with y'all and get y'all included. Okay, so this is just a little shorts again. Me and my shorts, right? But anyway, guys, listen, if you are new here, thank you so much for tuning in. Please remember to rate the video thumbs up. And by all means, please hit the subscribe button if you have not done so already. We do a lot of crazy things on this channel. Yeah, it's just a happy, good for you, positive makeup channel where we do a lot of crazy stuff and have fun with makeup, okay? So, yeah, until I see you in the next one, guys, remember, be safe out there, okay? Bye!